Hey everyone, Namaste. I'm Anju. I welcome you all to ARC Fitness. In today's routine, we are going to learn how to do Bird of Paradise pose. Please make sure that you do a nice warm up before it. Let's get started. Stand tall on mat, hands by your side. Bring forward your left leg. Stretch back your right leg. Bend your left knee a little. Open your arms wide. Stretch and you come to a warrior 2 pose. From here, bend down your left arm, touch your left ankle, stretch up your right arm, and you come to a triangle pose. Bend your left knee further, bend right arm, and you come to extended side angle pose. From here, take your left arm underneath your leg, hold your left hand with your right hand, you come to bound extended side angle pose, stretch and bring forward your right leg. Maintain a firm balance on your right leg, stand tall, extend your left leg as high as you can, and you come to Bird of Paradise pose. Gently come down, place your left foot on the mat, stretch back your right leg, you come to bound extended side angle pose. Triangle pose, extended side angle pose, and a warrior 2 pose. Relax. This is it. Bird of Paradise pose. Namaste.